Good. It's good.
哦，原來猛龍過江嚟咗香港係唔知啊！認住呢個嘜頭，呢個係小簡最中意食嘅炸雞啊！比呢個肯屈機咧會再更上一層樓啊！俾你知，嚟帶你入去睇睇。呢度哇，你見到咧好多外籍人士啦。咁小簡咧幫大家去避雷有啲咩？呢度你見到好多選擇啦。咁但係記住一樣嘢，佢嘅炸雞係最好食，個飯都可以嘅。咁但係記住佢個包係完全唔得嘅，完全唔使諗啦。同埋佢嘅意粉都好正嘅。Spicy chicken，thank you，係 cook Sunday。行啦，我哋開餐啦。哇！炸雞佢同可能其他連鎖店嘅外層其實都係差唔多，但係話俾你知內有乾坤。佢最出名嘅唔係佢個皮啦，係反而係佢個肉係好多肉汁嘅。佢呢個獨有嘅，其他都唔會係點醬汁，炸雞係做咁食㗎嘛。但係佢呢個咧係可以點埋醬汁嘅。佢呢個汁咧有一少少蘑菇汁嚟㗎，完全冇諗過呢個配搭㗎。但係我最中意就係佢個汁 match 埋一齊。嗱，呢個雪糕心地咧，我自己都未試過，但係今日見粉絲帶粉絲嚟食，試一試俾大家睇睇。個士多啤梨醬係幾好，但係個雪糕麻麻地，因為佢硬得滯，有少少沙喺入邊咁樣嘅，唔係咁推薦。咁喺香港嘅快餐店咧，通常食完咧，你會自己收埋嘢嘅，自己去咁啊倒埋佢，咁就 OK 㗎啦，搞掂。Hello, lady. What's your name?
Maria.
Maria. Are you first time come to Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you feel the Jollibee in Hong Kong?
Good.
Good. How about the juicy or the taste? How about the chicken?
It's good.
It's good. Okay. Philippine, the Jollibee or difference in Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the difference? Which one better? Which one better?
Philippine.
Philippine. 哦，原來猛龍過江嚟咗香港係唔同啲啊！好啦，我哋俾啲掌聲佢。Take the hand. Oh, thank you very much. Can I shake your hand? Okay, thank you. 我係香港簡 Sir，記得俾 like 同 follow 我啦。